You know me, LV so random. You feel me? I'm gonna hit y'all up with this behind the back crossover. So let's get it. You feel? All right, this is simple. Behind the back crossover. Let me demonstrate real quick. Basically like that. Hold on, one more time. You know, I'm not the greatest, but I'm alright. First things first. If you don't know how to do behind the back to begin with, then check out my other video. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah. So, alright. First things first. The behind the back crossover, main thing you really need to know is controlling the ball while changing directions of that crossover. Let me give y'all a different view of it. One more time. I'll do the left hand. You know? So, to practice, you know, it's kind of like the same thing. You can do this. And the same thing for the other side. Hold up. That'll get you set for doing this. That'll get you better at that, like changing directions. Oh, wow. It's okay if you mess up, by the way. All right. So when you done doing this practice right here, you can start doing this. Basically the crossover. I mean, you can do this. You know? That's basically it. Just keep doing that. Step, then behind the back. Then go your direction. Left side. Step, take like you're going this way. Then behind the back. And then keep going. So, I mean, I guess it's that video. But just get the hang of this first. And this right here. Get the hang of that. When you get the hang of that, you'll be straight. But you know me, LV so random with another V. Leave a like, subscribe. It's okay if you mess up, by the way, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below for my other video on how to do behind the back dribble. So LV so random with another V. Peace.